Hello, my name is Anna Owen, and I teach Russian 1 and Russian 2 for True North Online Academy. You can hear my accent. I am native Russian. I love my language. I'm proud of it, and I enjoy making it simple for people that want to learn it. I offer Russian 1 for complete beginners and Russian 2 for people that completed Russian 1 and also for people that know basic Russian grammar, can read Russian, and if you're not sure which level you're at, contact me and we will figure it out together. In my classes, I break this difficult Russian, people say that it's very difficult. So I break it into small, manageable steps. We learn vocabulary and grammar together, and I try to choose simple, recognizable vocabulary. So grammar goes with it and makes the process easier to understand and remember. My class is the safe, welcoming, non-judgmental space. Everyone is respected and encouraged to learn at their own pace. I pay very close attention to the progress of each student and adjust my teaching. So everyone feels supported and has an opportunity to succeed. I make sure that any student feel like a winner. At the end of my Russian 1, you will be able to speak, to read Russian, to count in Russian, and also tell a short story. And I wanted to give you an example of that story in Russian, so you kind of have a little bit of understanding what is our goal. So this story is about my cat. My cat shows up in Russian in my Russian class a lot. He understands Russian, so I try to get him in there and talk to him during the class. So he's Russian blue. So Russian all over. I'm Russian, speak Russian from Russia, and I brought myself a Russian cat from Russia 5 years ago. So my story. Это кот. Это мой кот. Его зовут Вася. Я люблю его, а он любит меня. Вася понимает русский язык. Вася понимает команды. Вася много спит, не гуляет. Вася всегда дома. Вася плохо слушает, но я думаю, что Вася все знает. Вася мой друг. There you go. That's a story that you will be able to create by the end of my Russian 1 class. So join my classes. I would love to have you, and I promise you the study in Russian will be simple and fun. До свидания. Goodbye.